In this video, I'm going to teach you some better ways to move pieces to the top layer when they're stuck in the middle or the bottom layers. If we think a bit more about what we're doing when we take out an edge piece from the middle layer to the top layer, or take out a corner piece from the bottom layer to the top layer, we can be a bit more intelligent about how we take these pieces out. So rather than just taking out this edge piece and putting it in the top layer, or just taking out this corner piece and put it in the top layer, we can take these pieces out in such a way which makes our F2L pairs easier to solve, so we set it up to an easier case. Also, instead of taking out pieces with just R, U, R', like that, we can also take out pieces from the middle layer if they're in the left position with, for example, L', U', L, like that, or if they're in the back, take them out like R', U, R, or R', U', R, or, R, U', R', things like that. So you can take out F2L pieces from the middle and bottom layers in so many different ways. You can be very flexible about this, and this enables you to set up those pieces to easier F2L cases. This is compared with only using, say, R, U, R' to take out an F2L piece from the middle or bottom layer. So from now on, don't just take out an F2L piece for the simple purpose of putting it in the top layer. Take it out and put it in the top layer in a way which makes your next F2L pair easy to solve. So let's do this case as an example. We have this white, orange and blue corner here, and we have the corresponding edge down here. This is the orange and blue edge. We notice that if we bring it up, the orange sticker is on top like that because the orange sticker is there. So if we do R, U, R', that sets these up over here. But noticing that the orange sticker is like this, if we do R, U', R', then that sets up these two pieces to the easy case that we solve. So what we're doing here is hiding this corner in the bottom, bring the edge across and unhiding the corner. Now we have an easy case to solve. So we took this edge out in a way which made these two pieces easy to solve after we did so. So again, here's another case where we have this edge here, which belongs in the back slot, and its corresponding corner is down here. If we simply take this out by doing an R, U, R', like that, then these pieces are connected to each other and they're not correctly solved. So if we undo that, we see that this sticker here, which comes out into the top layer when we take out this corner piece, is blue, and the edge sticker of the edge, which is facing upwards, is orange. So we want to get them into our first F2L case where the pieces are disconnected from one another, and we do our RU, R' or LU, L' insert. So here, instead of taking out this corner piece, which means that these two pieces are incorrectly connected, we can do a U', which moves this edge piece over here. Now when we take our corner piece out, it will end up over here, and this edge piece won't be affected if we do R, U, R', like that. And now they're in an easy case to solve, like that. So here's one final case to reinforce this concept, which is that you shouldn't take out F2L pieces from the middle or bottom layers solely for the purpose of putting them in the top layer. You should take them out to get them into the top layer into good cases. So here we have this case where we have the edge in this slot and the corner up here. And the default thing to do would be to just take out this edge and then solve the F2L pair from there because they're split up. Instead of doing that, what we can do is rotate this corner piece on top of this edge. Now our pair is connected with the edge here and the corner in the top layer. And we can take it out by doing an R' to move it into the top layer, move it across by doing a U, do an R to replace the edge there. Now we have an easy insert into the front slot here. So now on, whenever you take out an edge piece from the bottom or middle layer, make sure you're doing something constructive with it.